Oh, Tinky Winky.
Was it Dipsy who spilled the tubby custard?
Dipsy spilled the cubby custard?
No.
No.
And sure enough, the footprints carried on. Who spilled the tubby custard?
Who spilled the cubby custard?
Who spilled the tubby custard? Who spilled the tubby custard? Who spilled the tubby?
Tinky Winky and Dipsy followed the footprints over the hills
Over the hill.
to the place where Lala was dancing.
Oh, Lala.
Oh, Dipsy. Oh, Tinky Winky.
Was it Lala who spilled the tubby custard?
Lala spilled the cubby custard?
No.
No.
And sure enough, the footprints carried on. Who spilled the tubby custard?
Who spilled the cubby custard?
Who peeled he tubby tutted?
Tinky Winky, Dipsy, and Lala followed the footprints over the hills.
Over the hill.
In and out of the trees,
In
and out of the trees.
across the path,
Across the pop.
around the house,
Around the house.
and then they went indoors.
They went indoors. Indoors?
To the place where Poe was fast asleep.
Oh! Uh-oh!
Was it Poe who spilled the tubby custard? Who spilled the tubby custard? One day in Teletubby Land, something appeared.
La li la la li la li la la li la li la la li la la. Oh! Uh-oh! La li la. Oh! What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh! What's that? What's that?
was a watering can.
What? Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Uh-oh. No.
One day in Teletubby Land, Lala found a watering can.
Ooh. No. The one day in the Teletubby lab, the Lala, funny wobbly ham.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Oh! Again! Nice!
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Tinky Winky.
Dipsy!
Lala! Oh, it's Tinky Winky!
Playing on the beach. Jessel's got the ball. He kicked it into the sea. Where's that bar going? Hurry up, chase it. Gooey hands. Where's that ball gone? Gesso! Gesso, Gesso! It's gone. Where's the ball gone? I don't know. You've got to find it.
Jazzo's found the ball!
There it is.
Bye-bye. Uh-oh.
One day in Teletubby Land, Lala felt like having some tubby toast.
Lala, feel like you'd be having the tubby toes, yay! Tubby toes, tubby toes! Yay, the tubby toes, yay! Tubby! Yay! The tubby toes, the tubby toes! The tubby toes, the tubby toes! The tubby toes, the tubby... Yay! The tubby toes, the tubby toes! And tubby toes!
Lala smelled her tubby toast. It smelled delicious.
Delicious! Yeah! Mwah!
Uh-oh.
Tinky Winky was out for a walk when Tinky Winky smelled tubby toast as well.
Tubby toast! Tubby toast!
It smelled delicious.
Oh, delicious.
So Tinky Winky decided to go and have tubby toast as well.